How to copy and paste on iPhone. To copy and paste on iPhone, find the text you want to copy. Tap and hold on the text. Now tap copy. If you want to copy multiple words, then triple tap on the text. If you want to highlight text, tap, hold and drag on the text. You can also double tap and drag on the text, like this. After selecting, tap copy. Now tap and hold where you want to paste the text. Then tap paste. That's it. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.